Hello everyone. Today Autoshop would like to present to you a tutorial video on how to use the Smarttool ECO device to perform the SmartKey additional programming function for Piaggio/Vespa vehicles. This is used in cases where the customer has lost. First, we need to prepare the main Smarttool ECO device, followed by the RFID module, the SCU connection cable, one SCU from the customer who has lost all their keys, and one new fob to add to the SCU for the customer. On the Smarttool ECO device, select SmartKey.
Piaggio, Vespa. Smartkey. All key lost.
The device displays a message, Read SCU data, optional. For Piaggio's SmartKey system, it works differently from the SmartKey systems of other brands. With Honda, Yamaha, and Suzuki, when adding a new key, we usually have to read the SCU information to save the data and ECM code, preventing ECMID desynchronization caused by data errors. However, with Piaggio/Vespa SmartKey, it is different. You can register the key directly to the SCU without needing to read the SCU information beforehand. The Smarttool ECO device supports key programming without requiring SCU data reading in advance. Press ENT to select No. The device prompts you to connect the RFID module. Connect the RFID module and place the new SmartKey fob on it. Then press ENT. The device will automatically connect and read the IDE code of the key. Press ENT again to continue. The device prompts you to connect to the SCU. Follow the instructions by using the SCU connection cable to connect the SCU to the Smarttool ECO. Refer to the connection point on the SCU and connect it as shown in the instructional image in the video.
After completing the connection, press ENT.
The device will display a message indicating that the key has been successfully registered. Now go back and enter the synchronization check function to verify whether the key has been registered. Turn on the key and press ENT to perform the check. The device displays good. The key has been successfully synchronized with the SCU. You can now install the SCU back on the vehicle and test it directly after completing the key addition process.